हेलो एवरीवन। आज से हम एनसिस वर्कबेंच के ट्यूटोरियल से स्टार्ट करते हैं। एनसिस वर्कबेंच का फर्स्ट सेशन नंबर फर्स्ट जो है वो है इंट्रोडक्शन टू एनसिस वर्कबेंच। एनसिस वर्कबेंच में फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम सी ए ई कंसेप्ट समझने की कोशिश करते हैं। CAE concept is a computer-aided engineering is a branch of engineering that uses computer software to simulate and analyze the performance of engineering design. CAE encompasses the wide range of applications include finite element analysis (FEA), computer fluid dynamics (CFD), and multi-body dynamics (MBD). The use of CAE tools has become essential in the design and development of new products in many industries, including automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. Benefits of CAE. अब हम देखेंगे कि बेनिफिट्स हमें CAE से क्या मिलते हैं। फर्स्ट बेनिफिट इज रिड्यूस डेवलपमेंट टाइम एंड कॉस्ट। CAE enables engineers to simulate and analyze the performance of their designs in a virtual environment, reducing the need of physical prototypes. This reduces the development time and cost as engineers can identify and addresses design issues early in the development process. Second benefit is improved product quality. CAE enables engineers to optimize the performance of their designs, leading to better product quality. Additionally, CAE tools can simulate the behavior of the product under extreme conditions, ensuring that the product meets the required safety and performance standards. Next benefit is enhance the design optimization. CAE tools enable engineers to explore different design alternatives quickly and effectively, leading to better design decisions. This allows engineers to optimize the performance of their designs, reduce weight, improve fuel efficiency, and enhance safety. Next benefits of CAE is increase innovations. CAE enables engineers to push the boundaries of designs by exploring new concepts and ideas. This can lead to the development of new products and technologies that would not have been possible without the use of CAE. These all are benefits of CAE. Next topic is introduction to Ansys Workbench. Ansys is one of the best analysis and simulation software used to simulate engineering solutions. Ansys 2.0 was released at the first version in the year of 1971. Ansys simulates 3D models or structure or machine parts designed to stress, strength, temperature distribution, thermal conductivity, elasticity, fluid flow, air flow, etc. Most of the analysis performed in an Ansys APDF and simulation into Ansys Workbench, which are one of the main products. It is easier and flexible software used to analysis and simulation of the engineering design and used by millions of engineers all over the world. In Ansys mechanical solution, we have to import 3D model of the complex assembly and can rapidly find the solution of the complex geometries and can perform analysis of stress, strength, vibration, motion of the system. What is the requirement of system requirement for Ansys Workbench? First, first of all, 64-bit Intel or AMD system running Windows 10. Second, 8 GB RAM. Third, a dedicated graphics card with latest drivers and latest 1 GB video RAM capable of supporting OpenGL 4.5 and DirectX 11 or higher. Use of integrated graphics, for example, Intel HD or IRIS, is not recommended and it's not supported by the analyze stage in discovery. And fourth one is three-button mouse. What is the starting of Ansys Workbench? In Ansys Workbench, the starting window is started as quick start. The Ansys Workbench interface is arranged into two primary areas. First, the toolbox and the project schematics, and then second, the toolbox contains the system templates that can you that that can use to build a project. Schematic is the area of the interface where will manage your projects. In addition, you will see a menu bar and a toolbar with a frequently used function. Also use contents menu accessible via right X 0002 mouse click on schematic ideas, items, systems, and cells. Content menus provide capabilities add to and modify projects. Next, this is the starting window of Ansys Workbench. Working on new project. Where is the working on new projects in Ansys Workbench interface? Left click on model and drag it to the right of the cantilever project. You should then see a red box to the right of the cantilever geometry. The project that says creates standalone system as shown is below. Now release the left mouse button. Your new project schematic window should now look com- comparable to the image below. Where is the units in Ansys Workbench? In Ansys Workbench analysis, the user could prefer different unit system. Some users could select US customary standards. Some users select British units, and some of them could select international units for their analysis in Ansys. In this text, we will show you how to select unit type in Ansys Workbench and how to select units in Ansys Mechanical. You will see the editing units in the Ansys Mechanical is very simple. In Ansys Workbench, you should select your unit system basically from the Unit tab as shown in the red box above. These units will affect your material property units in engineering data. Because of that, it is very important to select proper unit for it in Ansys Workbench. This is the unit shows in the red box. This is the SI unit, matrix units, and US customary and US engineering. So we are select the units in this dialog box.